How to change your profile picture on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to change your profile picture on TikTok, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. Then, go to your profile by clicking in the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, it'll take you to your profile page, which is over here now. From here, in order to change it, you have to go to the option which says edit right over here. Just click on the edit, then you'll see about your profile, your name, username, bio, links, AI self, and other. Now, in order to change your profile picture, go to the option which says change photo over here. Now, you can either take a photo right now from your camera roll or you can select a picture from your gallery. After you select a picture, just click on next, then go to save and post. After this, you will successfully change your profile picture on your TikTok. So this is it for today. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching till the end of the video and see you in the next video.